Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be having an egg omelet, stuffed egg omelet with toast and some good old water. I ain't got a lot to talk about that. I'm tired. Here, take my dog to the, I'm gonna pray first if I start talking if I forget. I be done start eating and be done forget. And somebody said, oh, she didn't even say her grace. Yeah, I ain't be done say it because I be done forget. I'm gonna put my jelly right there. Good old jelly. I don't know how much jelly I need, but I'm gonna get it. Woo! I'm spreading my bread with my fork. I'm just gonna spread with my fork. You know, some people spread with fork. Let me get that piece up there for a bit, getting wet with jelly. But anyway, Tad my dog had a vet appointment 9:30 this morning, and we just getting home. Well, I know it took about an hour to take him there and an hour coming back, but we just get home 12 something in the evening. Ooh, put that over there. I'm gonna put it over a little bit further a second. Ooh. And give y'all that bite. That bite don't like got nothing hollering. I hope I don't drop it, because you know how I keep on dropping stuff. I drops it. I did a vlog of my let me see. It don't look good. Cheese that's dripping. I love cheese that's dripping. I did a vlog on it. He hadn't been to a vet since I think last year for his appointment, for his shots and everything. So I did a vlog on it, and he had not been in the car riding since the late. He may have got 1 or 2 rides early spring. I didn't show him. So I did that vlog. See how his ride was gonna be. I see how he was gonna act. And he act. Go on over there and find that vlog. I see my little baby, Boss. Oh, he's so sweet. He in there resting there. He tired. He real tired. They had to put, every year around this time, for some reason, with his allergies, because he's a Boston Terrier, he gets an ear infection. This time we got an ear infection. They didn't let me give him the medicine because they said that when they tested it under the microscope, they saw 2 different bacteria that was growing. And I don't want my bread get soft. I don't want that soft bread. And they won't allow me to give him medicine. This was better for him to have the plugs. So they plug both his ear with antibiotic the last 2 weeks, and it dissolves on its own. When you first do it, he can't hear good for a few days. He won't be able to hear us good. But he can hear, but he can't hear us good. So, hope and pray he get on the road to recovery. Her start feeling better. It got him, it got me too. Oh. The vet bill was $400 almost. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Comment down below if y'all got pets. Y'all got little, they call them fairy buddies. I call them my baby. Them vet bills, especially if you got 2 or 3 of them. Those vet bills is expensive, but I ain't gonna worry about it and I ain't gonna cry. Hope I ain't drop no jelly nowhere. I ain't gonna worry about it and I ain't gonna cry, cause that's my baby. And I ain't got nothing but 2 grown children. And I ain't got no grandkids. Cause that's my baby. I will melt to the phone. I'd swim over the seas if I could. That's my baby though. I love that little fella. Remember when he was small. I had him on a little thing on the floor. Made him a little fenced in. Put him a bed down there. And that joker tore it up. And then he got his love seat. I call it love seat. Great big old huge plush love seat. And he get in there when he want to at night. He want to act up. He get to beating that chair. Beating that chair. Hey, that chair rocking. And he be like, ooh, ooh. He don't bark a lot in the house though. You know, mama ain't take that. Mama can't do all that barking, baby. Not all that barking in the house. He know, he don't do all that barking. They trained me, they told me how to train him from barking when he was a little teeny thing. In case don't nobody know, you just got a pet now. Well, I know it worked for him. They said it's supposed to work. You get your plastic jar, a plastic container, and you put some coins in it. And when they bark a lot, don't do it when they bark one time. You gotta bark sometime. But when they bark a lot, you shake it. Lord knows the work. He gonna stand that. He gonna stand that. Nope. So he'll bark minimal, very minimal, not every day. Probably stick to his homes. So that was interesting today. Going over there. You know, of all days, I ain't feel like getting out of bed. I feel like getting out of bed, but I feel like going nowhere. Of all days. That's how I did it, though. That's how I did it. I'm hungry. What am I going to eat today? I was going to fix me a load of egg. I'm going all with that. Well, you can't see the vegetable. You won't be able to see the pepper and the onions in it. But I got potatoes in it. I'm good too. It's big enough. How big it was? Yeah, big enough. So when I finish eating, I'm gonna get me some rest. I'm gonna sit down. Real cold water. My husband said he going out there cut grass. He can help himself go out there. This time of day, cut grass hot as it is. Bad cut grass. And I love cutting grass. My allergies don't want me to cut grass, but I love cutting grass. Bad to cut grass early in the morning or late in the evening. At least a couple of hours for the sun to go down. Because you don't want them bugs pick you up either now. But in the, why it's hot like this? Oh no. I can't do it. Do it meant to drop. I can't do it. I just can't do it. If you haven't comment, like, or share none of my videos, go over there, please. I got very many videos up. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my channel. I so appreciate it. I didn't want a bag. I want an ass. I got one of us a giveaway. Hope you stumble across that one. That's a giveaway on that channel. Can't tell what's up, I gotta go ahead and look. Don't click through it. Look all the way through. Ain't that long. I gotta give me some more jelly. Put it on the back side. This time I got room back here. This time. Put on the back side. Started fixing some croissants. But I ain't want to cook them croissants, and I'm the only one eating them. The rest don't get thrown in the trash like I did the other day. Nobody ate but me. I ate a few on. I didn't throw the rest of them in the trash. I thought I told somebody I won't eat them. Well, I was speaking about it's almost time for fall. Yeah, because August is almost here. The weekend be August. Yeah. Guys, start cleaning up the closets again. Push back summer stuff. Start pulling up the early fall stuff. And then you got your winter stuff be right behind that. Oh wow. I got tell y'all what just happened. I got some fillings in my teeth. And I had porcelain. My husband insurance paid for porcelain when I first started getting it. And then when it changed, I needed to be done. And the insurance had changed. Okay, well, how about this? This insurance, I only want to pay for what it's called, Apple or whatever that stuff is. So I found it the hard way. I was eating, and when that fork hit that filling, it shocked me. It shocked me. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Comment below. It's called a silver filling. The cheap stuff. Pay all that money for insurance. And then they don't want to pay. They don't want to, you get the minimum treatment when you can go. So, went to the new doctor, because the doctor I went to wasn't taking insurance no more either. And she said, what it is you're allergic to it. And when your body do that, it really needs to come out your mouth. Now, I ain't got all that money to get all that filled up my mouth and start all over again. And the insurance company pays some, but by the time they pay it, it's nothing hardly. It's not worth how much dentists. Ooh. They almost like dentist and vet bill. They are very expensive. You can come out of the dentist office for a whopping $500 at one time, but not $1,000. I know that's right, because I went and got some dental work done, and I got crayons and everything. You could name crayons. Huh? You talking about $1,000? Y'all can some. But I do what necessity is. I thought you'd give me some braces, but all dental work I got, nobody ain't want to give me no braces. And they told me you don't need none. Yes, I do. Because my front teeth are pushed off of me sucking my thumb all them years. I sucked my thumb for a long time. I was mad still sucking my thumb. Go up there and and turn to the wall, suck my thumb. I still gotta stop doing this. I found stop doing it. Old habits are hard to break. They really are. Old habits are hard to break. I'm gonna put some tough on this omelet. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna eat it all, but I'm gonna put some tough on when the bread going to be. Good though. Real good. So I just hit it. I ain't hit it in a long time. Just hit it. And oh my goodness. It sent a shock through my body. Shock. Hurt too. Yeah, I know something happened to if you allergic to it. So I'm thinking about going to make a sacrifice. Hopefully by the time first of the year, if I live to see it, go and get it on out here. And go and get me some more porcelain. I'll be done with it. Don't think about doing. Can pull that on over big. You know when you don't eat all day, and then when you eat, you just see that your belly just gets so full. I see what other mukbangers mean now. I sit there and watch them when they say that. Yeah, I see. And that is my first meal today. First meal. But I feel good. Egg, good old egg omelet. I know y'all egg omelet better than that. Y'all probably master them. I do my best. That's as long as it's eatable. As long as it's eatable. Eatable. I'm a queen of dropping stuff. I used to always make a mess of my clothes when I eat. Always. Always dropping stuff and making a mess. Always. Oh man. I gotta hurry up anyway. I got 3 minutes up on my camera. Oh my. Lord. Yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a long time though. Well. It's good. I see a whole lot of people seem like they're traveling this time of year. The roads be real congested. The interstates. So people still manage to move around and do. Guess they're doing what they gotta do. Excuse me. So I don't want to travel nowhere. I really don't. I don't even want to stay in a hotel nowhere. No, I don't even go in a hotel and stay this time of the year. No, I mean this time what's going on during the year. I be like, I don't even think they ain't cleaning good enough for me. Yeah, cause there's so much stuff going on. You know, I don't even know what I want to do. I love South Carolina. Such a beautiful place. I've been twice. Me and my husband been twice. I like North Carolina because I said if I ever was to move, North Carolina next to Virginia, I would move to North Carolina. My daughter seemed to like it too. She said she liked it too. She actually put an application in out there for in the government, but she didn't get it. Won't meant for her. Where the camera get ready to flash. I knew I dropped some jelly somewhere, but I just could not find it. And yonder it goes. Whew, that was good. And I probably would have ate more if I had, look, this is what I got left. Probably ate more if I had more another piece of bread. Well, you too, world. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, talk to you later.